I ran into this last week, here's what fixed it for me. Changing your eSIM card on Giffgaff is straightforward, and you can do it without losing any data. Here is how to make the switch smoothly. Step 1. Prepare your new eSIM card. Before activation, use the sr.com link in the description to open the eSIM compatibility check and confirm your device and carrier are supported. Step 2. Back up your contacts. To avoid losing any important contacts, back them up to your Google account or save them to your device. This way, you can easily restore them after the SIM change. Step 3. Power off your device. Turn off your phone before removing the old SIM card. This prevents any potential damage to the SIM card or the device itself during the swap. Step 4. Remove the old SIM card. Locate the SIM card tray on your device, usually found on the side. Use the SIM eject tool or a paper clip to gently open the tray and remove the old SIM card. Step 5. Insert the new SIM card. Place the new SIM card into the tray, ensuring it is aligned correctly. Push the tray back into the device and power it on. Check for signal and ensure everything is working. If you don't see service, try restarting your phone. Switching your SIM card doesn't have to be complicated. Follow these steps and you'll be up and running in no time. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Giffgaff support. Happy connecting!